Good morning, my people. How are you? I still look dusty, crusty, and rusty, but it's okay because it is Saturday morning, the day of my Friendsgiving. And yes, I am walking around with a cheese grater I just bought because it's Friendsgiving, and you already know that I'm bringing all the mac and cheese that the Lord allows. So what am I doing? I'm on my way to the gym right now. I am an hour behind schedule. So I'm going to stick to my schedule. I am going to try to complete as much of my workout that I can within my time frame. Oh, look. This is literally my favorite view. My favorite view that I love to see. The lady didn't seem so nice, so I'm walking away. But it's okay, I still say hello. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in. But guys, I got a cheese grater, yay! On my way to the gym, knocking stuff down 2 at a time. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm finished at the gym. I'm actually not going straight home. I'm not being dirty, but I'm about to, just a protein shake. I'm about to go straight to the grocery store. So I'm not going to the one like right by my house, but I'm going to the one that's by my house. Because that one is just slightly bigger. So I'm gonna see what I can find here at this grocery store, and then whatever I can't find, I'm just gonna go home, shower, and do everything, and then from there I'm going to go to a bigger grocery store and get everything. So yeah guys, it's Friendsgiving, yay! Got some items. Hey guys, so I have officially almost finished cooking, almost officially set everything up, almost done everything, and the event's supposed to start in like 15 minutes. So people are technically, somebody's here already. Never mind. Tyler's gonna take care of that while I finish getting my makeup and everything done really fast. Okay, but I do still need to wipe down our chairs, but I'm gonna do like a really quick makeup because we are going out tonight too. So yeah, I just kind of finished my hair, did it half-ass, just wet it, add some leave-in conditioner. We did this. I'm gonna say flat iron, but not flat iron. Hot comb the top, boom, throw it in, threw some concealer on my part, and boom, this is what she's doing. I'm gonna do my makeup. I love you guys. Friendsgiving is officially kickoff. Bye. Okay. Wait. Oh. Hi. Oh, my camera's being stupid. No, give me. Okay, it's ready.
Okay, what do I say?
Whatever.
Hi, happy Thanksgiving.
Yay.
Is it supposed to sneak peek?
Yes. All right, guys. So Friendsgiving is officially in action. So we have everybody here. We have making space in the rooms. Everything.
I'm gonna say this fridge as well too, like so,
okay.
So we can both be on.
Yes, we need to. We need to collab.
Then I kind of scoot back in there for another half an hour. No, this is before. This is before. No, but then I threw it right back.
Yeah, I mean, well, I got it on Amazon. Bro, I need my drink.
Sorry, hello.
Well, we'll see. I don't know. I haven't tasted it.
I wanted to mix it.
I'm glad that everybody got to bring their own traditions from their own homes and get together. By the way, clown, were you serious? Like, clown for traditional?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, it's just because I'm allergic to clams. I was making a joke. No. If anyone was gonna do it, it would be New England, but no.
Alright, but yeah. Go, let's shoot.
Wait, have we taken a photo of the beautiful?
Yeah, photo. Wait, take a picture of the food?
Yeah, Kayla eats first.
I mean, this is like a one take sort of.
I'm like, I don't okay. Oh wait, got it.
This
Okay.
way, what did you think? Maybe
This is fun since we're already
Yeah.
taking pictures.
Alright guys, let's
No.
I didn't use it. Do you want
Perfect. Sure.
You don't have any allergies, right?
No. Maybe I do. Okay, this is a video. Ah, okay, perfect. Yes. Tyler. Guys, food plates. Oh, oh yes, sir. Let's see this plate over here. I mean, you wanna? I feel like I wanted to bring for you to like see. I mean, but like you know how.
I'm saying I love hold on. I want to go through and mess with your settings, but I'm not gonna do it.
Sorry, say again.
I want to mess with your settings, but I'm not gonna do it.
Oh no, yes, this is auto. So, like, it's auto. So,
but I love this lens, so I just give me a second.
Yeah, and it's very too much stimulation of things going on.
It's
You wanna
just
turn it off?
yeah. Yeah. You know, I'm a YouTuber. I make YouTube videos. Period. Love the energy. Yes. Show us. It's 20. Yes, with the leg up, leg up. Shake, 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 shake. I love. Hey guys.
Oh, this looks like Park Avenue. Sort of.
I saw from.
Now that was a twist.
This is cute.